Hi everyone, today we are gonna make a plane. It's very different than the one you usually do. So follow the steps. First, make a nice crease and line up the sides. So you make this. Then flip it like this and till this corner you fold it till that corner right there. You fold this and then you do a nice crease on it. Then what you want to do on the other side, you just match this up because it's a plane. Then you want to unfold it. Go on the side, this triangle is this way, and then just let it flip. So what the next step is, this line, you put this like that. And then you do the same with the other part. Then you flip it and go down. So then you make a nice crease here. Then you turn again, and then you do this. So then what you want to do is match up this corner right here to this. So it is like that, right there. The next step you want to do is unfold these, like make a triangle. This is the most trickiest part yet. This is the most trickiest part, but if you do it correctly, it should look like that. So there are two boxes, and then that's like you just fold it into a triangle and do it. The next step you do is gonna be a little tricky, not that much, but like this right there. And then if you have like a this, that means it's all good. Then you flip this part all over here. Then you make another one just like that. And then if you again have it like that, you're good. Then you do it this, and then you do this. So the plane is almost done. Then you take this, you can see you made like a little pocket there, and you can put all of this inside it. Just need to fold it a bit and put it inside, just like that. Then you take the other little pocket and then you put this side inside there. Then you put this side inside just like that, and then you just put it down like that, and you just make that if it disappeared, just like that. And the part is you're almost completed. Just need a little pinch right over there and a twist. When you're done with this, you're going to flap it over just like that. But this is gonna be even the next trick part. But it's not a trick. Then you do this and make it these. You want these both sides of these to be even if you want your plane to fly faster. Or yeah, you need them both even, completely even. You can't mess it up. Then like the last part here is that you fold the plane just like you do to make a regular plane, like that. Wait, just like that, and you fold the other side to match the other side and make a nice grease on it. Then you are like all ready but you just need to make these both sides once again a little crease on them so it looks like this when it's done. So it looks like this when it's done. You can even see that it's the back side. So it's like that when it's done. And you just want these also to be like this. And then you're done.